Hello everyone, welcome to ELasia 2026, and here at ELasia 2026 every booth tells a story of transformation, innovation and excellence. And today we are here at the booth of Maxwell to uncover their story of transformation. Welcome to Electrical Mirror, sir. So sir, what kind of product you are showcasing at ELasia 2026? Can you please highlight their technical specifications?
Sure, ma'am. So right now, we deal in cable testing instruments for different. We have already given these instruments to many companies, namely Polycab, Apar, RR. These type of companies take instrument for us to be BIS compliant, which is a mandatory from government side if they want to sell their wire and cables in the Indian market. And the type of instrument that we are dealing in earlier, there was no innovation in these products. These were all monotonous, and since we have come into this picture, we have started innovating on the products that we deal in. For example, we are introducing a new digital conductivity meter here in this exhibition, which will help the cable companies uh, to check the raw material which they are getting in their own industry. So this way, the digital conductivity meter will help them reduce the time to check the. Basically, it will help them a lot. Okay.
So, sir, from the last ELasia to this ELasia, how your company has expanded and evolved?
So we have made a lot of instrumentation depending upon the input we have received from the last ELasia exhibition or Ilakrama and other exhibition. So those cable companies have given us ideas that you should include this also in your item so that it can be benefited. So accordingly we have made lot of instrumentation so which will benefit the customer. So that way, I think it will help them a lot.
It's the best thing to integrate the feedback into the offerings. So, according to you, what are the challenges and opportunities in the cable industry in India?
So right now, Indian cable market is very huge, and a lot of unorganized players are also into the market, which who don't really check the quality of the cable and wire they are exporting out of their company. So with bigger players coming in into the picture like Adani, like Aditya Birla, with more organized, with the sector being more organized, we see Indian consumers getting better quality products when the those wires and cable are being tested by our Maxwell instruments. So in this way, we see it's a win-win for everyone, for Indian consumers, along with this cable companies also.
So, you must be receiving lots of queries at ELasia. So, sir, there is still any gap in the testing and measuring equipment department. So, would you like to tell us and to the viewers that we should work on that together?
So there is a lot of gap because the people are not testing their product. So if they will test the item, it will be benefited for them. Like I mean, if they are making cable, they are using conductor and insulating material. If they will check the input item like copper, so they will be aware what kind of copper we are getting. If they are getting impure copper, so that is not good for them because the conductivity of the copper should be 100%. If they are getting 90%, that means they are losing, and their item can be rejected on this basis also. Similarly, for insulation also, they should use the best material. If they are not using the best material, so item can be failed also. So because in rainy season you might have seen, if you hold the cable, sometime in the rainy season you feel current is coming. Why it is coming? Because the insulation is not good. So those factors we have to consider.
So, sir, what kind of future do you see for testing and measuring equipment and for the cable industry as well?
With the advancement of with the type of testing BIS is coming into the picture, we see testing equipments to be more prominent in all the industries, in all the cable and wire industries, and we see a big market for cable and wire market, which is growing at a very high CAGR.
Thank you so much, sir, for shedding light on such important aspects of the industry like raw material and cable industry. And thank you so much for your time. It was nice talking to you.